What's going on, YouTube? Let's have dinner at Beer Tree tonight and check it out. It's a great new place at the north end of the Oakdale Mall with a lot of really delicious craft beers and food. Yeah, so let's get into it. One big one.
What's it called? Almost here. I think it's the bottom left-hand corner.
Couple of pills. Looks like some darker beers. Larger. Fusion of instincts. That looks interesting. Hyper swirl dragon fruit.
Well, yeah, but they might.
Don't judge me, but that's the kind of beer I like. Our table's ready. We finally are getting seated on the deck.
But
There's definitely a good view from the deck.
methodically, she'll eat like all of one thing and then go to the next and then go to the next. It's just a fun one. We'll be eating between 6 people.
There's 6 people, yeah. I would agree with that.
So
Yes.
And if you're into checking out the menu before you arrive,
So good.
you can scan your phone if you're watching this on a TV for the tap list or the menus. Second drink of the night, dragon fruit mango lime. That's good. Cheese. Just kidding, it's a video.
I saw that.
I have a napkin.
Yeah.
Like
This is the mac
breakfast,
and
for
cheese.
example, because I used to just eat breakfast when I
Stone
got
fired
up.
pizza.
Yeah.
And now
Pub
I
fries.
don't eat breakfast until I'm hungry.
Bacon
Pub pretzel with bacon aioli
and
and
beer
more
cheese.
mac and cheese.
But anyway,
Beer
really
cheese.
just
So what is this, the marguerite pizza?
Margarita, yeah.
Oh yeah, that's sexy right there. All right, let's go check out the downstairs. Here's the bar downstairs. Not much happening down here right now. This is kind of like a spillover area when they're super busy. And they also have this like little catering area, I guess you want to call it. More cans to go. Even the restrooms are really cool here. They've got all this crazy artwork on the walls. I love it. It looks so nice. It's colorful. What more could you want from a bathroom? So this is the rest of the former Sears building at the north end of the mall. The front half, or back half, depending on how you want to look at it, is the Beer Tree. And this part here that's all gutted is going to be the Lord's Nielsen building, I think they're calling it. Lord's Pavilion. And it's going to be like a health and fitness center. And they're going to have a swimming pool inside of it. Supposedly, like, I think they said Olympic-sized pool. I could be wrong about that. But in other news, the Matthews family that owns a bunch of local car dealerships has announced their intentions to spend $110 million renovating the Oakdale Mall into more of, I guess you would say, more of an entertainment venue and more of the sort of gathering place that the Beer Tree facility here has become. So I just thought I'd mention that here towards the end of the video because that's a really big announcement. It's not set in stone yet. It's depending on whether or not they get tax breaks that they're seeking to help the project along. So yeah. So I was on the way out of the mall, out of Beer Tree, and I noticed the old Macy's building is all lit up. So I figured I'd take a look and see what we could see inside. This place closed, I'd say 3 to 5 years ago. And I did do a last walkthrough of it the day it closed. And I'll post a link to that video in the upper right corner of the video here. But I just thought I'd zoom in and take a look because it's kind of interesting to see what it, what the condition looks like inside. And it looks like the building's still in pretty good shape. I don't see any major leaks anywhere or anything. So hey, thanks for watching the video and joining us at Beer Tree tonight. If you learned something about the mall, give the video a thumbs up, and I'd really appreciate it if you click subscribe down below. It really helps the channel. And there's also shopping links down below as well.